Hi YouTube family, welcome back to Tech1 channel again, and today's video is based on how to VLookup in Excel. Yes, I will be teaching you how to do a VLookup in Excel. So let me brief you about this formula first. What is VLookup? Using VLookup is similar to looking up a person name in a telephone book to get a telephone number. So VLookup looks at a value in one column and find it corresponding value on the same row in another column. VLookup is the most important function in MS Office Excel. So before I start this video, if you are new to my channel and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, go to my channel and click on subscribe. After clicking on the subscribe, click OK, and there is a bell icon as well. If you can click the bell icon, you will never miss an update of my any videos that I got uploaded for you. So and also if you want any particular videos to be made on any particular subject, please let me know on the comment section below and I will make that video for you. So before wasting any further time, let me start how to do a VLookup in Excel. So we will be going, I have one sheet ready for that. So this is the sheet that we will be using. At the moment there is a columns given in the sheet. So the first column will be a group name, then group segment, then revenue, expenses, net income, and region, north, south, east, west, that way. So if suppose if I copy and paste the same format here, and by mistake this all information got deleted by myself, okay, and on the contrary I just click on sort. So the thing is that if I have to, this is a small data, so we can just copy and paste, this easy thing. But what happen if there are thousands of row or columns are there and I have to put the datas into all the rows? Then what will happen? It will take ample of my time to fill all the details on this Excel. Is it correct? Yes. Is it? Because I just need to go to each and every cell, then check it, then put that formula across to the right column, and then it got filled up. Okay, so if we don't have to do that thing, we can use a formula called VLookup in Excel. So if we go to a formula bar, it's here, insert function, then click on all and search for VLookup here, VLookup, and click OK. So this type of box will be appear on your screen. So let me explain the thing that you need to put in this box. Lookup value, the first one will be lookup value. So lookup value is the thing that from which data you want the thing to do a lookup to get the information. So if my name is Ashraf, I just want to find my phone number, then I will be searching Ashraf and the telephone number, then the telephone number will be searched and put across to the column. Okay, then the second column will be the data from which I will be taking the content of the data. Then third column will be the count of columns. So if I select column 1 2, then I just need to put 2 across to that column, and the range lookup will be always 0. So that way this formula will got complete. So let me show you. So if I want a group segment here, so what will I do? I will just go to formula bar, then search for VLookup, click OK, select this group name, then come to table array, then I will go to the main sheet, select group, then what I want the details to be filled out is group segment, the first one. Okay, so it will be column 1 and 2, so I just need to put column as a 2, then lookup range will be 0 and click OK. Same thing with the next one, revenue. Go to VLookup. So once you can click on most recent, the VLookup formula will be there now because we already used once, so it will be there. So click on VLookup, again click on the group name, then go to another sheet, click revenue, the column will be 1, 2 and 3, so I just need to write 3 and then 0, click OK. Then again for expense one, I will be clicking group name, then net income, so this way this formula is so much easy and very useful for our day-to-day business work. If we need to drag and drop any data or anything, it is easier. We can get the report done in couple of hours rather to waste the whole day or two to finish off that work. So this is the last one that we just need to put region. So if you forgot how many rows, then this is the way you can find it, A to F. So 6th, column 6 and 0. So all the formulas are here. What I just need to do is I just need to select this row, then select it and just copy and paste it. So all the formulas that I have put will drag and drop the information from the another sheet to this one with the accurate data. If you want to check, we can check one data if it's fast track. Okay, the group segment is small, yes. The amount revenue is 4047.67, it is correct. The expense is 481.01. The total net income is 3566.66 and it's southeast, southeast. So you can check each and everything, it's match with the formula. If anything goes wrong, suppose if the name was wrong, is tracks and I put as S, then what will happen? The formula will be not able to track that name because I just put as a S, and the formula will show as a not applicable because the formula can't find the name or the person like it. So what I need to do, I just need to remove this thing and now the formula will be back. So you just need to take care the name of the group company will be the exact name that you are looking for, so that way this formula will be work for you. So let me just copy and paste, do a paste special, so the formula will be gone and we can use this data for our day-to-day life. So this is the way you can use the VLookup formula for your day-to-day work. So guys, if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give your comments and like this video and share this video as well. And if you want any videos to be made on any subject, please let me know on the comment section below. And if you require if you have any queries or require any guidance, please let me know and I will be very happy to help you guys. So thanks guys for watching this video, and don't forget to share, subscribe to my channel and like this video as well. Thank you guys. Shabakar. Bye for now.